Light, elegant and perfectly steamed. Flaky fish, herb butter, crispy potatoes and charred greens. Elegance made easy. First, preheat your oven. Halve the washed salad potatoes. There is no need to peel. Pop the potatoes onto a large baking tray. Drizzle with oil. Season with salt and pepper. Then toss to coat. Spread out in a single layer and roast in the oven until golden. Meanwhile, grate the garlic cloves. Halve the baby plum tomatoes and trim the green beans. Cut 1/2 of the lemon into slices, then slice the remaining half into wedges. Combine half the garlic with the sun-dried tomato paste, butter and honey in a small bowl. Season with salt and pepper and mix well. Brush 1 large piece of parchment paper or foil per fish fillet with some olive oil. Lay 2 slices of lemon in the center of each, then place the fish fillet over them. Season with salt and pepper, then gently press some of the sun-dried tomato butter over the fish. Add the tomatoes on the side, then fold the parchment paper or foil shut, pinching on all sides to seal and create a parcel. Bake the parcels on the middle shelf until cooked through. Heat a drizzle of oil in a frying pan on medium-high heat. Once hot, add the green beans and stir in the remaining garlic. Turn the heat down to medium and cook for another minute. When the potatoes have 5 minutes remaining, sprinkle over the cheese and return to the oven. Once the cheese is melted, take the potatoes and fish parcels out. Share the cheesy roast potatoes and green beans between plates. Open the fish parcels carefully and serve the steaming fish fillets with the veggies. Spoon over the sauce from the parcels. Serve with lemon wedges for a burst of freshness. Light, bright and packed with flavour. Now dig in and enjoy every bite.